Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix if Spotify Enhance button is missing from your Spotify application. So if you want to get it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, make sure you have the premium version of the Spotify application. If you have, you can simply go back and open your Play Store. After that, you have to search for the Spotify and you will see update button right here. So simply update your Spotify application. Once you will complete it, after that open your Spotify and go to the settings from the right top and scroll up, and here you will see different options. So you have to search for the log out. Simply log out and log into your Spotify again and try to find out this button. If you still can't find it, simply tap a while on it, go to the info, and once you will do it, go to the storage and the cache and clear your cache from here, or you can simply uninstall the Spotify application and reinstall it to your device to get this button. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.